Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship his holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I'll worship your holy name. I'll worship when the skies are gray. I'll worship when the heavens can be seen. I'll worship when I'm way down low. And I'll worship in the in-between. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh, my soul, worship his holy name. Sing like never before, oh, my soul, I'll worship your holy name. Yes, I will worship when the evening comes. And I'll worship at the break of dawn. And I'll worship when I see that rainbow fall, 'cause it reminds me how you're always there. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship his holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I will worship your holy name. Lord, I pray that you forgive us. You've already forgiven us, Lord. What debts we feel like we owe you, but you paid it all on the cross, taking our sins from us. Like, we're worthy, but it's you, Lord. It's you that's worthy. It's you that gets the glory, that gets the praise. Lord, take the glory from us. Take the self-glorification, take the pride, take the desire to be united to our flesh away from us and yoke us to you, Jesus. For our worship falls in your hands, and our palms are open and surrendered, because we are here because of you. What else can we do but glorify, glorify, yes, glorify your name. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship his holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I'll worship your holy name. Yes, I will worship your holy name. I will worship your holy name.